are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today we are up with a new video. So let me just tell you. Let me just tell you, this is the most demanding, most useful video ever on German Gyan YouTube channel. Now you will be asking why. Because we are up with the pronunciation rules in German language. Yes guys, if you have just started learning German language, then I think so this is the master key, because this video will be helping you to create your basics, the base which you are making in German language. It will make up very strong, so make sure to watch it. And guys, in case you're looking forward to learn German language online and offline, then German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. For that, you can WhatsApp us on 9643430783. We do provide you teacher training program per module practice, which means writing, speaking, reading, hearing, each and every class separate and in a package also. We do provide the exam preparation of Goethe as well as TELC. In case you are looking forward for the teacher training program, then yes. In case you are looking forward for the internship, then yes. So whatever you can think around German language, German Gyan provides you at one-stop solution. So make sure to enroll with German Gyan. And guys, this video is a master key, so make sure to watch this till end and make sure to share with your friends, family, everyone. And guys, if you are in A2 or B1 or B2 also, still you are confused in the pronunciation, then this will be very helpful for you. So make sure to watch it, subscribe YouTube German Gyan channel, and let's start with this video.
How to pronounce consonant sound in German. The first letter is B. So the pronunciation of B is B, but if it comes at the end of a syllable, then the pronunciation change, and then the pronunciation is P. For example, halb, club, gelb. If you notice that in the spelling at the end B is written, but the rule says that if B comes at the end, then you have to pronounce B as P. That's why the pronunciation is halb, club, gelb. Next letter is C. The rule says if C comes at the beginning of a syllable and before A, O, U, L, R, then it sounds like K. For example, computer, cuisine, Kaffee, clan. Once again, computer, cuisine, cafe, clan. Next word is CH, and the rule says if CH comes together after A, O, U, L, R, then it sounds like K. For example, book, Tag, machen, Koch, Bauch. Once again, book, Tag, machen, Koch, Bauch. Next rule is if CH comes after consonant or after A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, E, I, EI, EU or AU, then it sounds like sh. For example, ish, Bücher, Fächer. Once again, ish, Bücher, Fächer. The next rule for CH is that it sometimes can be pronounced as sh. That means it doesn't follow any rule, and you just have to remember that which word pronounced as sh. For example, Chemie, Sheena, chef. Once again, Chemie, Sheena, chef. Next is CHS, and the pronunciation rule says that if CHS comes together, then it sounds like X. For example, Zix, Vux, Vaxen. Once again, Zix, Vux, Vaxen. Next consonant is D. Now, the pronunciation of D is day, but the rule says that if it comes at the end of a syllable, then it sounds like T. For example, Hund and Und. Once again, Hund and Und. Next is G. Now, the pronunciation of G is gay, but the rule says that if it comes at the end of a syllable, then it sounds like K. For example, Tag, Guten Tag, Sonntag. Once again, Tag, Guten Tag, Sonntag. Next consonant is H. Now, although the sound of H is ha, but the rule says that if H comes after a vowel, then H is silent. For example, gehen, stool. Once again, gehen, stool. Next consonant is S. Now the rule for S is that if S comes at the beginning of a word followed by a vowel, then the pronunciation is Z. For example, Sagen, Samstag, Sonntag, Suchen. Once again, Sagen, Samstag, Sonntag, Suchen. Next rule is that if S comes between vowels, then also the pronunciation is Z. For example, lesen. Once again, lesen. Next rule is that if S comes before a consonant, then it sounds like S. For example, fest. Once again, fest. Next is if SCH comes together, then the pronunciation is sh. For example, Schule, Tasche, Flasche. Once again, Schule, Tasche, Flasche. How to pronounce vowel sound in German? First vowel is A, and the sound of A, AH, double A is A. For example, Vater, Saal, Mahnen. Once again, Vater, Saal, Mahnen. Next vowel is E. Sound of E, EH, double E is A. For example, lesen, sehr, Tee. Once again, lesen, sehr, Tee. Next vowel is I. Sound of I, IE, IH, IEH is E. For example, Kino, meter, deep, lead. Once again, Kino, meter, deep, lead. Next vowel is O. Sound of O, OH, double O is O. For example, wo, zone, boat. Once again, wo, zone, boat. Next vowel is U, and the sound of U, UH is oo. For example, gut, oor. Once again, gut, oor. AU, sound of AU is ow. For example, mouse, blow, grow. Once again, mouse, blow, grow. Next vowel is EU and A umlaut U. Sound of EU and A umlaut U is oi. For example, heute, Häuser, Träume. Once again, heute, Häuser, Träume. The last rule for pronouncing vowel is for the words EI and AI. The sound of EI and AI is I. For example, eins, my, Eis, Kreis. Once again, eins, my, Eis, Kreis.
So guys, how was this pronunciation video? I know you are loving this video because yes, it is actually a very helpful video. So make sure to share this video. Make sure to subscribe German Gyan YouTube channel. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.